Hey guys, it's basically about my wig. I just received the mail this morning. So I basically got this hair from Mr. Routine. It's called Hair Market. I'll link the website in the description below. It came in this box. It's 100% human hair. I got it from iShow. They basically have like so many different styles of hair that you want. This is a 16-inch, I believe, and it also came with a weaving net, weaving cap. I just took it out the box, basically just pinned it on my head. Right now I'm just like playing around with it. It's like really so beautiful. Look, let me show you guys. Like, it's full. I love it. All I have to do is like basically pluck her. I haven't got to that yet. But I'll show you guys how I pluck my hair. So basically just like scoot in a little bit just to show you guys what I do for my girl. Letting this thing good now. Oh yeah, those are my flat irons. But I basically just go through and just like pull up the stragglies that I don't want her to have. Yeah, this is a hurt. It's my bitch now. Mind you, I just bought it last week. And it was about like $77. Like literally they're cheap as hell. Like I didn't even think this hair was gonna be cheap, but I honestly just got it. And they was like, oh, you're gonna get it by the 9th. Okay, I gotta wait till Wednesday. This shit just came in the mail this morning. Like, what? Ooh. Gotta be really careful. Struggling. And of course, just pull those out. I do have tweezers. Let me actually get my tweezers because I want you guys to like see how I like this moment. I don't have any mousse, so I just basically use hairstyling gel for the meantime. And I'll make a pouch. Let me tweezers in here. I know. Sorry guys. Gotta get my cap. Yeah, I got tweezers somewhere. One second, guys. Gotta grab my damn tweezers because I forgot them. Yeah, you guys just see like my body right now. On my knees. Ow! So hard, man. Back on the floor. Okay. Sleeping. Alright. Got between those hands though. I'm gonna show you guys like one side off camera, and then I'll come back on with the difference between the other side and the difference. So I'll come back with that. So just give me like a few minutes to do this off camera, and then I'll show you guys my other side. That's basically what I do, and that is it. Go to a little bit more. Mind you, I don't do the whole thing. I just do where I don't want all the hair and baby hair. It's too much. It's like it's just thinning out the hair. I'm doing. I got hair that I used. I picked up. What am I saying? So now I'm done. Basically have it done, and now tomorrow I just have to after work just go get me some mousse for her hair so I can just tie her, do her edges tomorrow, and you know, style her, whatever, and get it right, you know. See. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little plucking tomorrow after work, but I hope you guys like how I style, well, how I, you know, pluck her, my lace front. Mind you, this is my first lace front. I'm always doing my hair, just like my hair personally. Honestly, I can do another hair tutorial on my crochets. I had these in for like a couple days now, but I'm not really liking this hair. It's from Zuri, and it's like really nappy, and this. it sheds a lot. And this is their crocheting Wanda curl. It was like really pretty in the pack, like came out really soft and all that. I got it at the beauty supply store, my local beauty supply store, for like $15.99. That's how much I paid. Basically came in with a 8, 9, 10 inch in the whole pack, for the whole pack. Enough to full your hair, and yeah, basically, you know, fulled my whole hair up from the back, from the front, side, middle, whatever. 8 to 9 inches. I got the 10 inch in the back, the 9 in the middle, and the 8 in the front. And then I just, you know, run my fingers through it, put a little oil on it so it's not dry and shit like that. But if you guys want to see another tutorial, hair tutorial, on these, I will link a video down below. Just comment what you guys want to see, what I do next, whatever. But do subscribe. But you know, welcome to my channel. Whatever, this is like my first video ever, so I hope you guys enjoy. All right, see you guys later.